Mac Maintenance Checklist. 10 steps to keep your computer running smoothly. Hey Mac fam! It's your friendly neighborhood Apple enthusiast, Exces Pro Net, back with another dose of tech goodness. Today, we're diving into the world of Mac maintenance because let's face it, even the sleekest MacBook can start feeling like a sluggish sloth after a while. But fear not. With this 10-step checklist, you'll have your Mac running smoother than a freshly waxed snowboard in no time. Step 1. The purge. First things first, let's declutter that digital landfill. Launch Finder and go on a ruthless Marie Kondo-ing spree. Trash old files, uninstall unused apps, and empty that overflowing downloads folder. Every megabyte you reclaim is a victory for speed. Step 2. Memory Maven. RAM hogs can slow down your Mac faster than a snail on Valium. Open Activity Monitor and identify memory-hungry culprits. Quit any apps you're not using, especially resource guzzlers like video editors or Photoshop. Remember, those 20 Chrome tabs open all day aren't doing you any favors. Step 3. Startup Slim Down. Speaking of resource hogs, prevent unnecessary apps from launching at startup. Go to System Preferences greater than Users and Groups greater than Login Items and uncheck the boxes of apps you don't need immediately. This speeds up login and frees up resources for the tasks you actually care about. Step 4. Disk Detective. A cluttered hard drive is like a messy room. Things just don't flow smoothly. Use Disk Utility to check for disk errors and optimize your storage. Bonus points for deleting old backups and unused language files. Your Mac will thank you for the extra breathing room. Step 5. Software Sleuth. Out-of-date software can be buggy and bloated, dragging your Mac down like an anchor. Check for updates for macOS, your apps, and even plugins like Flash. Keeping everything current can make a world of difference in performance and security. Step 6. Launchpad Purge. We all have that one app on Launchpad we haven't touched in years, yet it's taking up prime real estate. Take a ruthless approach and remove any apps you don't use or recognize. A clean Launchpad is a happy Launchpad, and a faster Mac. Step 7. Permission Patrol. Sometimes, apps get a little too friendly with your system files, slowing things down in the process. Use the Privacy tab in System Preferences to review app permissions and revoke any that seem unnecessary. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility, so only revoke permissions you understand. Step 8. Spotlight Sleuth. Spotlight can be a handy tool, but indexing unnecessary files can slow it down and impact performance. Go to System Preferences greater than Spotlight and uncheck any folders or drives you don't need indexed. Bonus tip. Rebuild the Spotlight index for a fresh start. Step 9. The Mac Boost Mechanic. Now, let's introduce Mac Boost, your personal pit crew for Mac optimization. Think of it as a Swiss Army knife for your computer, identifying and resolving performance issues with a few clicks. It can scan for hidden junk files, optimize memory usage, and even uninstall stubborn apps. It's like having a tech genie in your pocket, granting you wishes for a faster Mac. Disclaimer. I'm not saying Mac Boost is a magic bullet, but it can be a valuable tool in your Mac maintenance arsenal. Remember, prevention is key, so try the free fixes first and see if they work. But if you're at your wit's end, Mac Boost might be the knight in shining armor you need. Wrap up and CTA. So, there you have it, folks. These 10 simple steps and Mac Boost can keep your Mac running like a well-oiled machine. Remember, a little proactive maintenance goes a long way in preventing slowdowns and frustration. If you have any other Mac maintenance tips or tricks, share them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more techie goodness. Until next time, stay curious, stay tech savvy.